Hey there, future Bitcoiners. Welcome to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today's adventure is all about buying your first Bitcoin. Let's dive in and make this journey both easy and exciting. First up, you need a digital wallet. It's like your virtual bank account for Bitcoin. There are several out there, but popular ones include Green Wallet and Blue Wallet. Choose one that feels right for you. Once you download and set it up, you'll receive a 20-word recovery phrase. Think of this as the master key to your wallet. Guard it like a treasure. Write it down and keep it somewhere ultra-safe. These words are your lifeline if you ever lose access to your wallet. Next step, finding a Bitcoin exchange. These are platforms where you can buy Bitcoin like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Sign up, get verified, and you're ready to go. Remember, security is key, so they'll ask for some personal details to ensure your account is protected. Time to add funds to your exchange account. You can do this through various methods like bank transfers or credit cards. Different methods have different fees and processing times, so choose what's best for you. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: buying Bitcoin. With your funded account, select Bitcoin, hit buy, and decide how much you want. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Even a fraction is perfectly fine to start with. Once you've bought your Bitcoin, it will appear in your exchange account. But here's a crucial tip. Move your Bitcoin to your personal wallet. Either Green Wallet, Blue Wallet, or any other you chose. Why? It's safer. Remember, exchanges are great for buying, but not always the best for long-term storage. And there you go. You now own Bitcoin. Welcome to the digital currency revolution. But remember, the Bitcoin world can be a roller coaster. Invest wisely and never stop learning about this fascinating digital universe. That's it for today's guide. Smash that like button, subscribe for more essential Bitcoin tips, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, stay curious and stay secure.